Nursing assistants are an invaluable part of the team in healthcare and are essential to St. Luke's mission of providing compassionate care. St. Luke's has trained hundreds of nursing assistants and starting 2 new programs. Thanks for joining us for this week's Health News You Can Use. I'm Lindsay Stish. Today we're talking about these nursing assistant training programs and the opportunity for those interested in pursuing a career in healthcare. With me today is Susie, Krug, Chief Nursing Executive at St. Luke's Health System. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So first of all, Susie, to start, what do nursing assistants do within the health system?
You know, a nursing assistant really is a key member of the team that helps with that patient experience. They partner with other care team members and they make sure all the essential cares are done for each and every patient. And they do that through communication with RT, with rehab, with all of those that interact with each and every patient.
Now, St. Luke's has trained over 260 nursing assistants through these training programs since spring of 2021. First, let's talk about the internal program. What does this program offer?
This offers a training program of 6 weeks to anyone interested in healthcare. They take in that program, teach the knowledge and skill needed for each essential function of the patient care demands. So whether it's intake, vital signs, ambulation, those types of things, and they get that full comprehensive package in a 6-week program. It does not require you to have a college education to come in. We will train you and pay you while you're learning. And then at the end of it, you are on your own and you have all of those essential skills.
That's fantastic. So you don't have to take that gap in employment to do this training program.
Right. It's an employment as you learn. So it's a great opportunity for any of those that have even considered healthcare for their future.
That's great. Now, what does the program entail?
It is the first experience for each healthcare worker. So it does take classroom learning and then it puts them into then the unit setting where they get hands-on experience and they're working in partnership with several care team members. And so by the end of the training program, they have all of the essential skills, how to document, how to work within the team, and how to communicate those feedback with each team members. And in addition to that, it's building the rapport with the patient. So the patient experience is very much the heart of the reason why we've done this and the heart of those key roles in our care teams.
So good to get that practice too.
Absolutely.
Now, how does this program benefit the participants and other staff members at St. Luke's?
So once they're done with that 6 weeks program, they have full employment and they actually are employed at the very beginning of it. And so they earn all of an income while they're training and they get their first taste of healthcare. And if they chose, they can continue on their healthcare journey and we would partner with them through all aspects of what they decide moving forward. But it is an opportunity to take a glimpse into healthcare if you've ever had an interest and without having to have a college degree, it really is that curriculum is based around that. And you know, a few folks have never had that experience before, so it really opens a lot of doors.
Okay, great. Now let's talk about the new student hybrid program. This is brand new as of this spring. Can you tell me how this one works?
We partnered with Summit Tech Academy and we took students that are 17 and 18 years old and used half of their semester to kind of build on the program we had previously had. So they have some classroom time again, they have some hands-on training, they have some shadowing experiences. They get credit for it in school and get that experience into healthcare for the very first time. And at the end of the semester, if they so choose, they can come and be employed at St. Luke's.
Oh, great. So how does this program benefit those students and St. Luke's as well?
So it's really, we both win. They get their first glimpse into healthcare, often at a time when they haven't made official decisions yet. They get to come on board, so if they choose, and then we will partner with them on the rest of their journey through healthcare. And it really gives them some information that they didn't have before, an experience they didn't have before in healthcare. They may have had a loved one be a healthcare worker or something along that lines, but they actually get to experience through school and get credit on both ends of it. And it really would give them some decision points then for their future and partner with us. And then we get to help them along the journey on that. And then with that skill set that we build with them, the patients really get great experiences with with what they bring to the table.
Great. Such a great way to get your foot in the door.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, Susie, for joining us.
Absolutely.
If you'd like to learn more or are interested in learning about the program, you can go to careers.stlukeskc.org/CNA. You can also stay up to date with all the latest health news and stories from St. Luke's at stlukeskc.org/news. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time on Health News You Can Use.